Did you know AI is advancing so fast that experts predict it's going to transform industries quicker than you can say machine learning? Yep, you heard that right. What sounds like science fiction today could literally be our reality tomorrow. Crazy, huh? Hey everyone, welcome back to AJ Time Travel, your go-to place for all things tech. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI. And trust me, the future is closer than you think. We'll be looking at 10 game-changing AI innovations that are just around the corner. So buckle up, it's going to be a fun ride. But before we get into the cool stuff, let's keep it real for a sec. AI is incredible, but it's not all rainbows and unicorns. There are some major challenges developers are facing right now. First up, AI still struggles with understanding context and nuance. You know, the stuff that we humans just get without even trying. This can cause AI to miss the mark sometimes, especially when it comes to customer service or content creation. Then there's data bias. AI learns from the data we feed it, and if that data is biased, yep, you guessed it, the AI will be too. And that can lead to some seriously unfair outcomes. Oh, and let's not forget the ethical concerns. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, questions about privacy, consent, and job displacement are getting louder. So, yeah, developers have their hands full. All right, now let's get into the exciting part. Here are 10 AI innovations that are about to change everything. First up, AI in healthcare. Imagine AI systems analyzing medical data faster than any human doctor, helping diagnose diseases early and more accurately. This isn't some far-off dream, it's happening now. Next, AI-driven personal assistants. These won't just follow orders, they'll predict your needs before you even ask. Picture your smart home adjusting the temperature the moment you leave work, without you lifting a finger. How cool is that? Advances in natural language processing are also on the horizon. Soon, chatbots will be so human-like, you might forget you're talking to a machine. Smooth customer service experiences are coming your way. AI in agriculture is another big one. Drones and algorithms will monitor crops and boost yields, leading to more sustainable farming practices. Talk about a win-win. And then we have AI in education. Imagine personalized learning experiences tailored just for you, based on how you learn best. That's going to be the future of classrooms. AI in finance is making huge strides too, especially in fraud detection. Algorithms will catch fraudulent transactions in real time, keeping your money safer than ever before. Autonomous vehicles are already here, but soon they could revolutionize how we commute daily. Just imagine hopping into a car that drives itself. Next up, AI in cybersecurity. It will help detect and respond to cyber threats faster than ever before, keeping our digital world more secure. Let's not forget AI in content creation. Soon, AI tools will help writers brainstorm and even draft content, speeding up the creative process. Talk about a productivity boost. Finally, AI in smart cities will help manage traffic, energy, and public safety more efficiently, creating cities that truly work for us. If I had to pick one innovation that really stands out, it's AI in healthcare. Why? Because it has the potential to save lives. Think about it. AI analyzing massive amounts of medical data and spotting patterns that humans might miss. That means fewer misdiagnoses, fewer medical errors, and maybe even preventing illnesses before they happen. Now that's a game changer. So, to sum it up, we've talked about the challenges AI is facing right now, explored 10 super cool innovations, and highlighted the life-saving potential of AI in healthcare. The future of AI is looking bright, and honestly, we're just scratching the surface. Now it's your turn. What AI innovation are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the curve in the fast-moving world of tech, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I've got more awesome videos coming your way, including some deep dives into AI advancements you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.